Hello, YouTube! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these amazing baked ham sandwiches. Don't they look delicious? But first, let's look at the ingredients we'll need. We'll need margarine, black pepper, Italian seasoning, salt, 1 onion, black forest ham, 1 cup of milk, Swiss cheese slices, triple cheddar shredded cheese, bread, and last but not least, 4 eggs. Now let's get cooking. First, let's crack those 4 eggs into your favorite mixing dish. I'm sure you can go much faster than this slow poke. Let's cue the music. That's looking quite fine and dandy. Now, let's get ready to add our 1 cup of milk. Now pour it in. Grab those forks and whip up those egg yolks. Just look at that beautiful yellow mixture. Now let's add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Pull out those whisks and keep mixing until most of the clumps are dissolved into the mixture. Finally, finish up with 1 more stir of the fork. You got it. Now pull out that bread and let's give those bottom slices of our sandwich a bird bath. In this video, we'll be making 4 sandwiches, so we'll start with 4 slices of bread. Use tongs to carefully place your first slice of bread in your mixture and let it soak for about 10 seconds. Beautiful! Now carefully remove your soaked bread and place it in your baking pan. Now repeat the process for your second slice of bread. Look at you! You've got the hang of it! Finish soaking your 3rd and 4th slice of bread and place it on your baking pan. Well done! Now let's butter that bread. Use a butter knife and spread some margarine across your first slice of bread. Don't be scared, just spread it on. Do the same for your 2nd, 3rd, and 4th slices of bread. One more to go. Now for the fun part. Time to add our fillings. Place 1 slice of Swiss cheese on each slice of bread. And now we can chop our onion into rings. With our onion now cut, place one ring on top of each slice of bread. Isn't it beautiful? It's just like a nice piece of fine art. Now time for the meat. Place 5 or 6 slices of Black Forest ham on each slice of bread. But be sure to save 1 slice of bread for the vegetarian in the family, so we won't be putting meat on one of them. And now for our final slice of Swiss cheese. Now get 4 more slices of bread for the top of our yummy sandwich. And it's back to the bird bath. Give those breads a nice dip. Now carefully pull out your bread, and this time flip it so that the wet-soaked mixture side is facing up towards you, and place it on one of your sandwiches. Spectacular! Do it again for your remaining 3 slices. That away, you're becoming an expert. Now we can baste the top of our breads with a spoonful of extra juice. Go ahead and sprinkle some light pepper on top. Now sprinkle some Italian seasoning. Don't be shy. We'll finish up by adding 1/3 cup of triple shredded cheese to the top of each sandwich. I don't know about you, but I'm getting hungry. And now it's time to bake. At last, we can finally get dinner in the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and bake for about 15 minutes, and then flip your sandwiches over and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Please note, oven cook times may vary depending on your make and model, so you may have to readjust your cooking time accordingly. You know your oven best. Just be sure to bake until a nice crispy crust forms on both sides with some slight charring around the edges. And now we wait patiently. I can smell it already. Just look at that mess! Ha 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 ha! Finally! Looks like dinner is done. Who's hungry? My mouth is watering. Let's flip them around to see the cheesy fronts. So delectable. From our family to yours, bon appetit! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the Quill of Comfort YouTube channel for the best of food, craft, and nature.